Hi there, here are the newly launched earphones Dizo Buds P. Now I've been using these for almost a week and I can say it's almost perfect. It comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 which ensures stable connection while providing faster transmission speed. It comes with huge 13mm drivers, 40 hours battery life, app support with equalizer and auto call answer feature. These earphones are priced at just $1,299. It's super impressive. Now, I firmly believe there is no device that's perfect. I'll share everything, what I liked, what I didn't, so you can decide if you should buy the Dizo Buds P or not. We'll start with an unboxing and then move further. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Dizo Buds P. On the side here, some of its key specifications: 13mm drivers, 40 hours music playback, 10 minutes of charge will give you 4 hours of music, low latency gaming, Bluetooth 5.3 and noise cancellation for calls. Towards the back are some manufacturing details and the MRP of $3,499. Alright, let's quickly unbox it. So we have the user manual which is in English, a small dongle-like USB-C charging cable, and finally the Dizo Buds P. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. First we'll get rid of this plastic on the top. Oh wow, that looks so nice and premium. You can see the Dizo branding here, matte black finish, and let me tell you, this case weighs just 31.5 grams. Really light and small. And towards the bottom here you can spot the USB-C port to charge it. Let's open the lid. Wow, you can see the earphones inside. The best part is that the lid can be opened with one hand. I really like this. Also, solid hinge, not at all flimsy, works really well. Okay, so yes, you can spot the earphones inside. Let's remove them. And right here you can see it comes with this plastic on the top. Make sure you remove this, only then they will turn on. So you can see this comes with a stem design and it looks really nice. The build quality is so good. Now each earbud weighs just 3.5 grams. Damn, that's lighter than a sheet of A4 paper. Trust me, it's that light. Also, really good quality, glossy finish. The touch sensors are here at the back to change tracks, to pause play and to enter gaming mode. Now when you put them back inside the case, obviously they start charging, and you can see there is an LED light here which will inform you how much the charge it's holding. So let's quickly pair it. So we're taking our Android phone and we're going to the Play Store and we'll download the Realme Link app. Now this app is also available for iOS on the App Store. We've already downloaded. Click open, then click on this plus sign, come to audio and scroll down till you see Dizo Buds P. Click. Open the earbuds in case and you will automatically click pairing mode. Make sure you remove the earbuds and keep them on the side. Click OK. Pair. Agree. And there you go, we are in. So quick look at the app and you can see that it's connected. It shows you the battery percentage of both of the earphones. Then there are sound effects which are basically equalizers where you can choose bass boost for those thumping deep bass. Then you have balanced for that balanced music, bright for that light soothing songs. Then you have voice enhancer which further increases the volume of your audio device. For those who like it loud, this is the option to go for. Then there's a dedicated gaming mode which you can turn on and off from the app. Really convenient. Of course, you can enable it from the earphones as well, but from the app as well. Always comes very handy. Then there's another amazing feature called auto answer. You take either of the earbuds out of the charging case to answer the call. And finally, really good feature, you can custom set the taps. You want double tap to play and pause, you can change that, triple tap, you can actually control all those. So I'll say that Dizo has made a very nice minimalistic app, but all that's needed is here. Coming to the fit. Well, firstly, these are the pods designed with the short stem, which basically sit in your ear cavity and doesn't completely snug in, unlike the silicone buds earphones. The benefit of this is that you can listen to ambient sound or when someone is calling out to you, as it doesn't completely block your ears. The drawback is that it doesn't seal the outside sound, so bass isn't as deep. Now as you can see, I'm wearing them and they weigh at about 3.5 grams each and I can barely even feel them. Also worth mentioning, I wore it for 3 hours straight and I didn't experience any pain or heating issues. Light and comfortable. Now, coming to the sound quality. Well, these earbuds come with 13mm drivers and they don't disappoint. Now, these are really fun sounding earphones. They're loud, they're clear and bright. Now, app support with preset equalizer just adds to the experience. So the bass boost effect makes the audio sound punchy and bassy, but the highs get muffled. Balanced for me was just perfect. It had good highs, it had clear vocals and tight bass. Now remember, these aren't the buds designed that completely seal your ear, hence the bass won't be as deep but still good enough. Bright mode is for soft listening and for people who don't like the thumping tight bass. It also enhances instrument separation drastically. So basically it has sound profiles that fits everyone's need. Then we also get gaming mode, which reduces audio latency, keeping video and audio in sync. You can enable it from the earphones or from the app as well. We played BGMI while wearing these and I can confidently say it did a pretty good job. There was no delay, no lag and spot on. Worth buying for gamers. Then we also used it quite a lot for phone calls. It automatically enables ENC, environmental noise cancelling, which helps provide a clearer phone calling experience. Here's a demo. Hi there. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the microphones of the Dizo Buds P. Now this is how you're going to sound when you're going to use these for phone calls. I think it's quite clear. However, you're the best judge. Write down in the comments and let me know. Cheers. Indoors, I can say it was almost perfect. There's no ambient sound, there's no disturbance, there's no echo. Outdoors though, it was good. If you're in a noisy environment, then the opposite person might have trouble hearing you. Then one of my favorite features is auto call answer. So suppose you get a call on your phone, all you need to do is remove the earbuds from the case and put them in your ears and the call will be answered automatically. There you go. And yes, you can use even one of the earbuds for phone calls. I get asked about this so much. Then it comes with touch gestures. All the usual ones are there. Double tap to pause play, triple tap to change tracks, tap and hold to enter gaming mode. And the best part is you can custom set the tap gestures from the Realme Link app. Coming to the battery. Well, it's a king in that department too. Firstly, each earphone comes with 40 mAh battery that will last you for 7 hours on a single charge. Can't ask for more, can you? Then this little tiny case comes with a 480 mAh battery that provides a total of 40 hours of music playback. Now I was listening to music for 3 hours at a stretch and the battery wasn't even half. So I can say that the battery life you're going to get on these earphones are solid. Now this is such a tiny setup. It's light, it fits in your pocket, it's got good sound, app support, packed with features like even gaming mode. It's priced at just $1,299. It's an absolute steal. Now this is an introductory price for a few days. After that the price will be $1,599. So grab it on the sale date, which is 5th of July at 12 PM. I'll leave the links below in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.